A very good morning to you, class 3 students. I hope you all are well and safe at your home. I welcome you again to the virtual class of social studies. Children, as you all know that in our previous session we have started our chapter number 6, and the name of the chapter is People Who Help Us. In this chapter, children, we read about the community help us, and we read about the farmers, teachers, doctors. And today, children, we are going to read about our next community helper, that is police officers. So, children, let us start. Police officers work in police stations. Yes, children, as we all know that police officers work in police station. They help to keep law and order under control. If without them, we cannot maintain the law and order in our society. So they all help us to keep the law and order under control and protect our life and property. Yes, children, police officers protect our life and property. They catch thieves and other criminals. They also help to find people who get lost in fairs, crowded marketplaces, railway stations, and so on. Yes, children, if we want to find out the lost person, we have to complain in the police station, and police officers help us to find out them. Now, children, this is the picture of a traffic policeman, and this is the picture of a traffic light. Green light indicates go, yellow means go safe, and red light indicates stop. I think you all have seen these traffic lights at the signal. Now, children, who is traffic policeman? And first of all, what are traffic lights? Traffic lights or traffic signals are lights used to control the movement of traffic. Yes, children, these lights indicate to us what we have to do when we are driving car, Activa or something else. Then by these lights, we get to know that what we have to do. If the green light is there, it means we have to go. Yellow means we have to go safe, and red light means we have to stop. So these lights help us to control the movement of traffic. They are placed on roads at intersections and crossings. Yes, children, these lights are placed on roads and at intersections and crossings. The different colors of lights tells drivers what to do. Yes, children, as I just explained you, these lights tells the driver what they have to do. It means different colors of lights tell drivers what to do. It means he has to stop or go safe or stop. Now, special police officers control traffic on roads. Yes, children, we all have seen the traffic policemen on the roads, and these traffic policemen control the traffic on the road. They are called traffic police, and they help the traffic to move smoothly. Yes, children, they help the traffic to move smoothly. Now, children, our next community helper is soldier. Soldiers keep our country safe. They also help people in times of need. Yes, children, when the country needs them, they help the country, and they protect our country from the enemies. For example, during floods in Kerala in 2018, soldiers rescued many people. It means rescued means they saved so many people in the flooded area. They also provided medical aid and relief materials such as food packets and blankets to the people. Sometimes soldiers also found bridges to cross rivers and connect villages. Yes, children, they also found bridges to cross river and connect villages. So, what is the main work of the soldier? To protect our country and also help the people in during the time of the pandemic. For example, one example is given here. During the flood time in Kerala 2018, they rescued many people. It means they saved so many people. Now, children, our next community helper is firefighters. Now, who are firefighters? Who work in fire station. They are trained to put out fires, and they also rescue people and animals in time of other emergencies. Yes, children, they also rescue. It means they also save people and help the people and animals in time of other emergencies such as collapsed building and earthquake. They also rescue those people who get stuck in elevators. Yes, children, the persons or the people who get stuck in the elevators, they help them to move out from there. Most schools and offices have fire drills, and firefighters visit schools and offices to teach about fire safety. It means they teach us how we have to protect ourselves from the fire. Okay, children, and they all work in fire station and they are trained in to put out fires. Now, children, our next topic is dignity of labor. Now, what is the meaning of the dignity of labor? Dignity of labor means respecting all types of work. Yes, children, we have to respect all type of work. Every work is equal. It also means that treating all work equally, that is no work greater, better, less, or more important than the other. For example, if the farmer does not do his work, we will not get food. Yes, children, if the farmer does not grow the crops, and then we will not get the food and to eat. Similarly, if the garbage collector does not collect the garbage, then the roads will get dirty and stink. So both works are very important for us, and there is no difference between any one of them. Work and people both are same. No work is better or lesser than the other. Thus, all work is important, and we must respect the work that people do. Yes, children, we have to respect the all kind of work, and the people also, those are doing the work. We also must respect the people who do the work. So, what is the meaning of the dignity of labor? Dignity of labor means respecting all kinds of work. Means we have to respect the farmer, teacher, and the garbage collector equally. There is no difference between them. Every work is very important for us. Their helps are very important for our life. So now, children, let us revise what we just read in this chapter. Yes, children, in this chapter today, we read about the police officers. That police officers works in police station and they help to keep law and order under control. Next, children, we read about the traffic policeman. That traffic policeman is the person who controls traffic on the road. And next, community helper, we read about soldier. That soldier keep our country safe from the enemies, and they also help the people in times of the need or in the time of a pandemic. And we read about the firefighters. That firefighters work in fire station and they are trained and expert in to put on fires. Dignity of labor means we have to respect all types of work, and the people are also those are doing the work. Dignity of labor. Dignity of labor means respecting all types of work. That we should respect all kind of work, and the people also those are doing the work. Yes, children, there are some important words from the same chapter. First is vaccinate. The act of vaccination and injection just like the vaccination of corona, or an oral drop. Oral drop, for example, polio drop, given to protect someone from a particular disease. Oral drop of polio given to the children to protect them from the polio, and in an injection just like the injection or vaccination of coronavirus is given to us to protect ourselves from the coronavirus. Now next is flood. When an area becomes filled with the water, especially after a heavy rainfall. Yes, children, when a particular area filled with the so much water after a heavy rainfall, that type of situation is called flood. Next is emergency, an unexpected situation that requires immediate action. Yes, children, it is an unexpected situation which is not expected by anyone that requires immediate action. Next is earthquake, a sudden shaking of the surface of the earth. Next is fire drill, an activity in which people practice getting out of a building quickly if there is a fire. Yes, children, when there is a fire and people practice to move out from the fire, that type of drill is called fire drill. Now, yes, children, this is a picture of National War Memorial and it has been built to honor our soldier, and it is in New Delhi. Where it is? It is in New Delhi. Now, children, these are some important lines from the same chapter. Community helpers make our life easy and comfortable. Farmers, teachers, doctors, police officers, soldiers, firefighters are some community helpers. Farmers grow many types of crops for us. Teachers help us to become better human beings. Doctors cure us when we are sick or injured. Police officers protect our life and property. Soldiers keep our country safe. Firefighters put out fires. Next is we must respect the work that people do. And we must also respect those who do the work. And this is called dignity of labor, respecting all type of people and all type of work. Now, children, there is a book exercise and you have to do this exercise only in your book. No need to do this work in your notebook. First is a group of people living in the same area is called a community. Number 2, farmers grow many types of crops. You have to tick in front of A. Number 3, on Teachers' Day, we thank our teachers. You have to tick in front of the C option. Fourth is doctors work in hospitals or in clinics. Yes, children, you have to tick in front of A options. Doctors work in hospital or in clinics. Number 5, firefighters go to schools and offices to teach about the fire safety. You have to tick in front of the B option. Now B is the word in pink are incorrect and we have to write the correct word at the place of the pink word. Police station grow crops for us. No, we will write farmers. Farmer grow crops for us. Number 2, firefighters use smart boards to teach in class. No, teachers use smart boards to teach in class. Number 3, doctors work in clinics or in hospitals. Yes, children, doctors work in hospitals or clinics. Number 4, teachers control traffic on road. No, traffic policemen control traffic on road. Number 5, electricians hold fire drills in schools and offices. No, the answer is firefighters. So the right answer will be firefighter. So children, that is all about the chapter number 5. You have to do this exercise only in your book. Thank you so much for today. Have a nice day.